these are my top 5 favorite refrigerator organization products. Number 1, fridge coasters. Just like the name says, they are coasters for your fridge. These will keep your fridge cleaner for longer. They are sturdy, absorb spills, and come in cute colors and patterns. Number 2, roll-out caddies. These fridge bins from Utopia are my favorite. They have roll-out wheels and are only 2 inches high, which is the biggest difference from other acrylic bins. They have sturdy handles and it comes in 3 sizes, a 4-inch wide, 6-inch wide, and 9-inch wide. I have these in my fridge and absolutely love them. Number 3, Lazy Susans. Utopia brand is again my favorite since it's made specifically for the fridge. It has a non-slip silicone mat which catches spills, and it has a lip around the edge so things don't fall over. Number 4, produce keepers. Buy some produce keepers for your fridge and put all your fruits and veggies in them so they'll stay fresher for longer. Having them prepped and ready to eat will help your whole family make healthy choices all week long. Number 5, labels. The simplest, cheapest way to organize your fridge is to add labels. Group like things together and add a label so everyone knows where things belong. Create zones for leftovers, salad dressings, condiments, meats and cheeses, fruits and veggies, etc. Good luck organizing your fridge with these 5 products you can't lose.